Hello and welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. In today's how-to video I'm going to show you how to make a magic ring because there's been quite a lack of crochet on this channel lately. So a magic ring is the start of anything in the rounding crochet, okay, and some patterns ask you to kind of chain 2 or 3 and then you can crochet over those, but it does leave a kind of hole in the middle. So this you can use for granny squares, amigurumi, can never say it, and the great thing about this is you can cinch it, okay, in the middle once you've gone round with all your stitches. So some people find these a bit tricky to start off and daunted, but I've got a really quick and easy way to get you going for them. There we go, I've already knotted my wool. So all you're going to need to do, okay, we've got our yarn. This is my tail end here. Get 2 fingers like that, and you are going to need your thumb as well. So wrap it over, and here's our tail end still. Just track that by your thumb. And then we're going to make a cross. So wrap it over there, we've made a cross. Okay, don't cut the circulation off, and then with your crochet hook, go under and then pull this one through. Okay, and there we have it, and then you can begin to crochet into your ring, okay, and then you can cinch it. You can make it larger and you can make it smaller. There we go. Just to recap, make a cross and then pull that through. Easy. Thank you for watching this video, and if you do feel so inclined, please do like, subscribe, follow, click the bell, all that good stuff. Thank you.